Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Corolla versus Hyundai Elantra. We will explore their key differences and similarities to help you make an informed decision. We'll cover everything from performance and fuel efficiency to interior comfort and safety features. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which vehicle best suits your needs and driving style. Let's dive in and see how these popular sedans stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the Corolla generally offers a smooth, reliable ride, prioritizing efficiency and comfort for daily driving. The Elantra, on the other hand, often provides a slightly more spirited driving experience with a range of engine options, including a sportier variant. Both vehicles are excellent choices for fuel efficiency, helping you save money at the pump with their impressive miles per gallon ratings. Inside, the Corolla provides a well-built and functional cabin, focusing on durability and ease of use. Its infotainment system is intuitive, making it simple to connect your devices. The Elantra often presents a more contemporary and stylish interior, with a driver-centric cockpit and available larger touchscreens. Both sedans ensure a comfortable ride for passengers and include modern technology to enhance your driving experience. Both the Corolla and Elantra prioritize safety, coming equipped with extensive suites of driver assistance technologies. Toyota Safety Sense and Hyundai Smart Sense offer features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist, providing peace of mind on every journey. Considering resale value, the Corolla often holds its value very well, while the Elantra typically offers a strong warranty and competitive pricing. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.